we're heading out to a little hike. It's toward the end of February, but we're starting off with an 18-degree weather day, and it's going to get up above freezing, probably about 36 or 37 today, but the sun's going to be out all day, and we're looking forward to doing a little geocaching and a little cache placing and some good old hiking in Knob State today. So we'll see you at the trailhead, and we'll see you along the way. We came in through the old red trail right down here in the valley, or come up through here. This red trail is not maintained anymore. In fact, we can't find any blazes, but we do know it goes down through here, goes up through this little valley, and it eventually connects at the ridge line up here at the top. Kind of using this as a shortcut to get into the woods in a hurry. Hopefully we don't have too much debris to go through on this valley up through here. See, this is where we came in here. This is the red trail, the way we came in through here, and our plan is to go down this valley, and then we're going to go up to Vertex Knob up toward there. I'm not sure if we'll go to the top, and then we're going to work our way around to this valley here, and that's where we're going to end up.
can you.
Dobbs State Forest. If we can do it,
so can you.